So today I am going to repot a grapefruit plant that I got at Home Depot. It already has a bunch of little grapefruits on it, and I just really wanted to show you guys how to repot a new plant, especially a big tree like this. It's pretty hard, but yeah, so let's get. Okay, so here I'm just taking the plastic off of the pot. I think the pot was like $19 and 22 inches high. I got it at Home Depot, and it didn't come with any drilling holes, so I had to drill them myself. I used the biggest drill bit I could find, and I think I made like 5 holes in total just to give the citrus plant some really good drainage, which is what they prefer. And then here I'm just using the same potting mix from my last video. It's organic and really well draining, and I'm putting some at the bottom first and then putting the plant in to measure how it would look in the pot, make sure it's aligned. Now this plant is pretty big and I'm a pretty small person, so it was kind of hard for me to get it out. It was also a little crooked inside the nursery pot and really root bound. One trick that I find that makes it easier to get the plant out is to just tap it really hard on all of the sides, and after a while it should be loosening up. You can also cut it out, but I didn't want to cut out this nursery pot because I had another purpose for it in mind. And then I just go ahead and put it in the pot. I stimulate the roots a little by just gently getting a little bit of the soil off to help them get situated in the new soil that I'm putting it in. And then I just take some extra potting mix and put it around the edges and align the plant a little better. Here I'm just trying to make sure that the plant's as centered as possible, and it needed a lot of soil, which I was not expecting. And yeah, then I just spread the soil around on the top of it. It does need a little bit more soil than what I put here in the video, which I am going to do today. I had to go buy some more potting mix. So here I'm just pressing it in and make sure that the plant is straight up and that it's pretty secure so that it doesn't fall over. And of course, just like with every plant, right after you repot it, you want to make sure that you water it thoroughly. And this is just showing you guys the placement. I really like how it looks right next to all of my other plants. I was scared that it would look too big, but I honestly don't think it's that bad. And then here you can see the little grapefruit that already came on the plant. They look really good, and I'm dying for them to get bigger so that I can harvest them. And here's just one of them that fell.